So, you're here because you want one of these. But this is what you currently have. Or you have something that was made in 2001, or you have something that looks like it was made in 2001. But in any case, you want to get from here to here, or from here to here. You could call up this guy to make it for you. He'll actually do a good job. But what happens when you want to do this? You can call this guy back up to make the change. But then he asks for more of these. And then you say get right on it, but now it's 2013, he looks like this, and your website still looks like this. That's where we come in. We'll get you this, without a lot of this or this, and you'll be able to do this all on your own. Yep, you'll be able to do it. Ready, said Mango. Don't farm out your website. Grow your own.